So over here you can see that I have a bunch of tasks. And what you can do right here is you can apply filters onto the tasks so that only certain tasks show up as you like. So to do that, if you were to go around onto the view tab on the top, then what you can do is you can go around onto the filter section right here and then expand out the filter right here. And then over here you can see that there's a range of filters that you can choose from. For example, you can go around and select completed task right here, and then it'll only show up completed task. And in my case, none of the tasks are complete, so it shows nothing. If I were to go around and select milestones, then it only shows up the milestone tasks right here, as you can see. But if I were to go around and select, let's say, for example, using resource, then you can go around over here and let's say I want to filter out the tasks by the resource use of crew member. So wherever the crew member is used, I want it to filter it out accordingly. So if I were to go around and press OK right here, then nothing shows up right here. So if I were to go around onto using resource and select out something else like actors and press OK, nothing shows up right here as well because they are not assigned yet. But if I were to go around onto using resource and select, let's say, for example, storyboard artist and press OK, now you can see that for storyboarding artist is utilized. And that is how you can go around and use filters to filter out the task by various criteria right here, as you can see right here, like late tasks, and you can go around and say something like critical task and so forth right here, as per how you like inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.